Hello and welcome back to Crazy Kernel YouTube. In this video, we'll be going over Python functions. And Python functions are basically like you have a function and inside it there are many different print statements or variable values or anything you can have inside it, and it does not execute until it is called. So we'll be going over that in this video. If you like it, remember to like and please subscribe. One thing that's new in this video is that I'm using Spider instead of the notepad and command prompt. So let's get started now. So for a function, you first have to define it with the def keyword. Then we're going to put our function name. You can put anything. I'm going to put crazy kernel. Then end it with closed parentheses and a colon. Next line, remember to indent. And then we're going to put anything. So I can put print and inside crazy kernel. So basically this print statement I'm just doing inside crazy kernel because that'll show me that if this prints, it's printing inside the function since it's indented. So now that's going to be my only print statement inside the function. So now next line. I'm going to exit the function by just going backspace and like no indents. And I'm just going to call the function. To call it, you just list the function name and parentheses, close parentheses. So now if we execute this, it turns inside crazy kernel. So it's successfully executed. So if you don't call it, nothing in the function will execute. So basically I can create 1,000 functions, and if I don't call them, they won't execute. So that's what functions are. Thanks for watching and see you next time on Crazy Kernel YouTube.